Welcome to our colorful journey through the mesmerizing spectrum of colors. From the fiery reds to the cool blues, colors add beauty and vibrancy to our world in endless ways. Are you ready to explore the rainbow with us? Let's dip our brushes and begin our chromatic adventure. Moving on to the lush color of green, representing growth, harmony, and renewal. Spells out G-R-E-E-N, green. Can you imagine wandering through a verdant forest or picnicking on a grassy meadow? Demonstrates painting with green. Let's celebrate the beauty of green and reconnect with nature's soothing embrace. Now, let's dive into the calming depths of blue, evoking serenity, tranquility, and imagination. Spells out B-L-U-E, blue. Can you envision the vast expanse of the ocean or the endless sky stretching above us? Demonstrates painting with blue. Let's immerse ourselves in the peaceful blue and let our dreams take flight on its gentle breeze. Moving on to the majestic color of purple, representing royalty, creativity, and magic. Spells out P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Can you imagine a field of blooming lavender or the regal robes of a king or queen? Demonstrates painting with purple. Let's embrace the enchanting allure of purple and unleash our imagination to new heights.